In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to buy Blockdag using Trust Wallet. So let's just begin. First, you need to head over to Trust Wallet, and once you are there, the purchasing process is really simple. Let's just say you are accessing the platform from a cell phone device. You can do that easily, and you need to simply head over to the tokens sections. You can see we can search in here for different kind of you can say like coins and anything BNB, and everything is basically available in here. So let's just try here for Solana. You can see, and you're going to be simply selecting that, and you can purchase it using your P2P option, or you can do that using your let's just say local bank or cryptocurrencies. So any other wallet will also work. If you still are not able to purchase it, you can watch one of our previous videos where we taught you how to use best wallet, and it is the most appropriate to buy Blockdag and transfer it using your different type of exchanges. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.